Hi, this is Atif, the top cryptocurrency trading charts author as per TradingView, and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading charts or trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video, I posted 9 altcoins which were expected to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours. Now let's have a look on the previous trades, and after that I will take you to my current compiled list of new cryptocurrency coins, including Bitcoin, which are expected to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours. Our first coin was the OMG or Umice Go with US dollar pair, and on this chart the price action was forming a bullish shark pattern, and I was expecting that it will be entered in the potential reversal zone, and after that it will take the bullish divergence from here and hit this sell zone, which is the projection area or retracement of C to D. This is the Fibonacci retracement from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price action entered in the potential reversal zone and took the bounce from here, took the bullish divergence, and hit this area of sell zone. Our next trade was the band with US dollar pair, and this was up to 17% profit potential trading idea. And in this chart, you can see the price action formed a complete bullish bad pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence from this area and hit the sell zone as I have defined on the chart. Our next cryptocurrency was the COS with US dollar pair, and on this chart the price action was driven as required for the bullish crab pattern. Therefore, I was expecting that the last leg will be driven as required for the bullish crab pattern, because it should be the last leg should be from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. Therefore, I have defined my potential reversal zone as required for the bullish crab pattern, and you can see that the price action moved more down and entered in the potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence from here and hit the sell zone. Our next trading chart was the NKN with US dollar pair, and on this chart you can see the price action was forming a bullish garlic pattern. Therefore, I was expecting that the price action will be moved more down to enter in this potential reversal zone, and after that it will take the bullish divergence from here and hit this sell zone, which is the projection area of A to D leg, the Fibonacci projection from A to D from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see the price action driven as I have predicted. My next suggested trade was the dusk with Bitcoin pair, and on this chart you can see the price action had completely formed a perfect bullish garlic pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence from this area as I have predicted and hit this sell zone. The next cryptocurrency which was included in our trading list was the Won chain with the Walton coin with Bitcoin pair, and on this chart the price action formed a perfect bullish butterfly pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence from here and hit this sell zone area as I have predicted. The next cryptocurrency coin which was expected to take the bullish divergence within the next 24 hours was a Kawa with US dollar pair, and this cryptocurrency had the potential to give up to 102% profit. And I'm just playing this idea. On this chart, the price action formed a garlic pattern and took the bullish divergence as I predicted and gave more than 65% profit so far. Our next cryptocurrency trading chart was a Pearl or Perlin with US dollar pair, and this cryptocurrency was forming a bullish bad pattern, and I was expecting that this leg will be entered in this potential reversal zone from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And I'm just playing this idea. And you can see at this point, the price action just hit the spike within this potential reversal zone and hit this sell zone. Our last cryptocurrency trading chart was a Po.e with Bitcoin pair, and here we can see the price action was forming a bullish garlic pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. Even this is the coin or currency which was also included in my previous video, and I just suggested that you can add this cryptocurrency in your next trading list, but still this cryptocurrency is in process. The price action is in process to take the bullish divergence from this area and still moving within the potential reversal zone. So you can add this coin in your next trading list. Okay, this was my previous list which I have shared with you, and these coins were expected to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours, and almost all the coins has taken the bullish divergence and hit the target sell zones. Now let's move to my next compiled list for you, and that is the first coin is the Bitcoin with US dollar pair, and this is the chart. And on this chart, you can see the price action has completely formed a bullish bad pattern. First, the price action hit two spikes within this potential reversal zone or buying zone area. But now when I will play the idea, then you can see the price action has completely entered in the potential reversal zone. And now it is going to take the bullish divergence very soon and hit this sell zone area. Our next coin is EOS with US dollar pair, and here the price line has completed a bullish bad pattern. When I posted this chart almost 6 hours ago, then the price action hit only one spike within this buying zone. But now after playing, the price action is completely entered in the potential reversal zone and ready to take the bullish divergence from here. The next cryptocurrency which is expected to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours is the Cardano or ADA with US dollar pair. And here the price line has completed a bullish butterfly pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. The next coin which is expected to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours is the Ethereum with US dollar, and on 2-hour chart the price line of Ethereum with US dollar has formed a complete bullish butterfly pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone and ready to take the bullish divergence very soon. The next digital asset is the LTC or Litecoin, and on this chart the price action has completely formed a bullish cipher pattern and moving within this potential reversal zone, and soon it will take the bullish divergence from here and hit the sell zone area, which is the Fibonacci projection of C to D leg from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. The next cryptocurrency is the Stellar with US dollar pair or XLM with US dollar. And here the price action has completely formed a bullish shark pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. And soon it will take the bullish divergence from here. My next suggested coin is the TRX or Tron with US dollar pair, and here the price action is forming a bullish shark pattern, and soon it will be entered in this potential reversal zone, which should be from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci. So we should wait for the price action to enter in this potential reversal zone, then we can place our buying orders and we can set our sell targets as required for the shark pattern. That should be the C to D Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 786 Fibonacci. I have also mentioned all the sell targets and the buying targets in the chart description of every cryptocurrency. Our next cryptocurrency is the Chainlink or link with US dollar pair. And here we can see the price action has completing a bullish bad pattern. All the legs are driven or retraced as required for the bad pattern. Therefore, I'm just expecting that this leg should be up to 0.886, between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci as required for a perfect bullish bad pattern. Our next trade is the MDA with Bitcoin pair, And on this chart, the price action has completely formed a perfect cup and handle formation. And the handle is retraced up to 0.618 Fibonacci from the resistance of the cup up to the bottom of the cup. And we should set our sell targets that should be the projection area from the resistance of the cup up to this bottom of the cup from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. The next coin which is expected to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours is the SNT with Bitcoin pair. And here the price action has formed a bullish shark pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. And these are our buying range. This is our buying range, and these are the sell targets. You can also watch these targets in the chart description, very clear. So that's all, guys. These were the coins which I have compiled today for you guys, and these coins are expected to take the bullish divergence within next 24 hours. And definitely these coins are ready to take the bullish divergence very soon. So I would suggest you guys to don't miss these coins and do your own analysis on these coins before placing any buying orders, and use your own indicators, your own strategies, and after that take the decision whether you should enter in any trade or not. I've shared all these charts on the Tradingview, therefore I have shared the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. You can find there. If you don't have account on the Tradingview, then I would suggest you to make the account there, because the Tradingview has a very good variety of different indicators and different trading charts, and there are a lot of authors you will find they should be followed, and they're sharing their great ideas there. You can also share your own ideas there, and you can also share the private ideas there. It depends on you whether you want to share the idea publicly or not. And I have also shared the link of Binance Exchange in the video's description, because all these currencies which I have shared with you are available on the Binance Exchange with a largest trading volume. So I would suggest you, if you don't have account there, then you should create your account there. Just click on that link, and after that it will be very easy. It is very easy process to create the account there, and you can start your trading on the Binance today. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the complete video. I'll be back soon with more profit potential, trading ideas, and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.